Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you the magnetic building tiles. So, we're going to be building a house.
Just close it up. There's so many.
Yeah.
Why don't you just push it back? It's so nice. This is different than the regular ones that we see.
Yeah, I know.
There you go, I'm helping.
Thank you.
It's so funny how it stands up.
Yeah. But it's really cool.
Wow. Gorgeous.
Yeah. I'm gonna build a furniture now. This is doors that open. Is there any more? Or is that all?
I think that's all.
Oh yeah, it also comes as a bag.
Oh, nice.
Put that for a toilet.
Yeah, well, that's essential.
Now I'm gonna build the carpet. It's just a carpet.
Cool. That truly is a carpet. Wow. Beautiful. Is that like a chair or a toilet?
Toilet. I can take it out of there. That's the carpet. For the doors. For the doors. And door. Let me see the door.
Oh, wow. It's like a gate.
Yeah.
Love it.
Just gonna build a random tower.
You're so good.
done with the build. I hope you like it, guys.